Welcome to Goodwill Dancers. The dance we're going to look at in this video is called Blame It On That Red Dress. It's a 32 count, 4-wall dance, improver or novice level. It has 3 restarts, but no tags. It was choreographed by me, HELENE LAVOIE-CHEVALIer, and it's done to the song Blame It On That Red Dress by GORD BAMFORD. Okay, I'm going to do a little demo for you, and then we'll look at the dance step by step.
Me here like this, feeling kind of crazy, baby, every time we kiss. But it's taking off so fast, I don't know what to do. That low-cut thing you're wearing, baby, just might be a clue. I could blame it on the wine, the smell of your perfume, the way the heads are turning when you walk in the room. But something's going on more than animal attraction at play.
So there you go, that was our demo. Let's take a look at the steps. We're going to start with our right foot. We're going to do a rock step forward and then a lock step back. Then we're going to do a rock step back on our left, and we're going to do a sweep with a half turn. We're going to turn on our right foot as we sweep our left foot from back to front. So we're going to sweep, half turn, and then transfer the weight onto our left foot. Let's do that with the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second section. We're going to do a rock step to the right, back onto our left, and a behind side cross. Behind side cross. Another rock step, this time to the left, back onto our right, and a shuffle across. Shuffle across. As we do our shuffle across, we can slightly angle our body towards that right corner because our next step is going to be towards the corner. So let's do that second section with the counts. We ended with our weight on our left foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Third section. We're going to step forward on our right foot, facing the corner. So we've done a little bit of a 1/8 of a turn to the corner. So we're going to step forward, rock forward on our right, or just step forward, not a rock, step forward with a little hook. Then we're going to do a lock step back. Lock step back. A rock forward on our rock back on our right. And then we're going to turn our body back around to the wall, point our right to the side, and just slide it in. Our weight is staying on our left foot. Let's do that with the counts. So we step forward, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we're going to do a pivot, a half turn pivot to the left. 1, 2 with a kick ball change. We're going to step and do a quarter pivot to the left, and another kick ball change, and that ends the dance. Let's do that fourth section with the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's put the whole dance together from the beginning, all 4 sections. Starting with our right foot. Rock, step, lock, step, back, rock, step, sweep, and turn. Rock, step, behind side cross, rock, step, shuffle across, step, hook, lock, step, back, rock, back, point, slide. Military pivot, kick, ball change, quarter pivot, kick, ball change. With the counts. Starting with our right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. Those are all the steps. Now there are 3 restarts. On wall 3, both wall 3 and on wall 6 have restarts, and the restart comes at exactly the same place. So when we get to almost the very end of the dance, where we've done our chord or pivot, instead of doing a kick, ball, change, we're going to start the dance over again. So that's wall 3 and wall 6. There's another restart on wall 7, but it's at a different place. After, if you recall, in the second section we do our rock, step, behind, side, cross, rock, step, shuffle across. Then our step, hook, rock, step, back, rock, step, and instead of doing the point and the slide, we've done our rock, that's what we're going to start over, our restart. That's on wall 7. Okay, so give this a practice, and when you feel ready, come and join us. We'll be dancing it to the music.
Me here like this, feeling kinda crazy, baby, every time we kiss.